How can I project myself as a comprehensive solution for homebuyers by combining Dispute Panda's services with my realty expertise? Imagine a world where bad credit isn't a chokehold for your clients looking to buy a house. Here's how you can open doors for them with just $1. By pairing your real estate expertise with credit repair services, you can offer a full package deal to clients. It's not just about showing properties anymore. It's about having a complete solution. Instead of turning away potential buyers with flawed credit scores, you can help them reach their home buying dreams faster. With Dispute Panda's AI-powered credit repair software, your clients can generate letters 70% faster compared to other credit repair companies. That's a win-win because the quicker your clients can repair their credit, the quicker you can close a deal. Suddenly, bad credit isn't the end of the road, it's just a bump along the way. For real estate professionals not leveraging this, it's a missed opportunity to be the all-in-one solution for home buyers. Take your real estate business to the next level with our $1 trial of Dispute Panda Pro that has everything you need to service clients. Comment real estate below for access.